Hey, what's up everybody? This is Olavo Mobile WizTech and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the Galaxy Watch 5. Now I'll be jumping right in, right after this. All right, really quick, if you end up liking my content, please do me a favor and go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Also, if you want more content like this, please consider subscribing to my channel by hitting that subscribe and that notification bell button. Now we can always stay informed whenever I post new content on my channel. Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro, you can either get it in LTE or Bluetooth. This is Bluetooth only. And the video that I did before for the Watch 5 Pro is Bluetooth only. But again, you can get it in LTE if you like as well. The 44mm Watch 5 comes in two other colors. This is the sapphire. You can get it either in graphite or silver. All right. So with that stated, let's go ahead and open up this bad boy. All right, let's go ahead and open up this bad boy. Slide over here. Slide right over here. All right. Okay, let's pop that off. You already know what's in here. Again, I'm not going to try to bore you with the same stuff that's been posted or you saw in the other video over and over again. But the main thing we want to see is the watch itself. All right. This color is nice. I know my wife is definitely going to dig this one. Look at that. Get a little closer. Get a better focus. Look at that. Look how sharp that is. Very nice. All right. Now, size comparison. This is the Watch 4. All right. And this is the Watch 5. All right. Do a side view. As far as the looks are concerned, looks pretty close. All right. Somewhat identical, just different color. But again, this one can measure your body temperature and this one can't. The Watch 4. Watch 5 can measure your body temperature and the Watch 4 cannot do that because it has an extra sensor in there. All right, but okay, let's take a look. At the other side, just so you can look at it. Let's take a look here. Okay, it looks pretty close. All right. So as far as upgrade wise, nothing major. All right. Of course, you got the different color and again, that body temperature and maybe a few other things, but besides that, nothing major. Let's get that out the way. Let's go ahead and power this one on. Top button there. Power that on. Now again, with the Watch 5, and let's say you had the Watch 4, you can use Smart Switch to restore your data that's on the Watch 4 to the Watch 5, all right? So just know that it's a nice bonus that they provided. The Smart Switch would do the heavy lifting for you, and you pretty much have to tap here, tap there, and let Smart Switch take care of the rest. And again, your data from here will be restored on here. Your settings and everything will be restored on the Watch 5. So definitely a nice plus there. I won't go through the whole Smart Switch or the whole setup there because again, you can watch it in my Watch 5 Pro video by hitting that card there and see how to set it up. All right, so I have this all set up. Again, it does feel similar to the Watch 4 from last year. All right, so again, this is all set up. In fact, let's see how it looks on my wrist. All right, let's take this off really quick. And place that one on just so you can see how it looks. Oh, actually, let's do this real quick. Comparison. All right. Let's open this up just a little bit just so you can get a better view at it. All right, and that's look on this side here. All right, it's definitely thicker, bigger battery. Now really quick on the Watch 5 Pro, unfortunately I'm not able to use that Trio wireless charger, that charging pad by Samsung, or just any of my other flat Samsung wireless chargers, because you have to use the magnetic one that comes with this. There may be some other third-party ones, but for right now, it's the one that comes with this is the way that I will have to charge. It doesn't lay flat, as you can see there. It's like an arch. So if you lay this on the table, even with this open, it's gonna have that arch and it's not gonna touch the wireless pad, charge pad. Now you can see from last year's Watch 4 Classic, see how flat it lays? So if you place this on the Trio or the dual charger, it's easily going to charge, just like this one here. This will easily charge on the Trio, or if you have the dual wireless charger. All right, so the Watch 4 or the Watch 5, not Pro, still works with the Trio or your flat wireless charger. However, not so much with the Watch 5 Pro. Let's see, again, it has that arch. So just wanted to point that out. Let's put this on the wrist. See how this looks again. All right, slide that in there. And there we go. All right, nice and comfortable. And yeah, I'm digging this color as well. Again, you go through the different screens by just sliding across the top. There's no bezel, as you can see there. All right. And don't forget, this is very important. If you want to use the Google Assistant, make sure you go to the Play Store. All right. And when this comes up, just do a search for, get rid of that. Oh, come on. Let's do a search for Assist. All right, let that go through. And let's see here. All right, that should be good enough. We're gonna hit the magnifying glass. And as you can see there, it says Assistant Update. Tap that. Give it a few. And it's gonna start to do the update. So you just tap Update and let it do its thing. All right. Now, once this completes, it's gonna tell you to give it permissions on your phone, or pretty much go through the process on the Home app on your phone. If you have the Google Home or Home app on your phone, to complete the setup. And then once that's done, you're good to go. Then once this completes, you can have this button, you double press it, and you can wake up the assistant. Now, while that's updating, I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. So you just go into Settings, Advanced Features. All right, again, this is when the update is complete, and then you've gone to your phone into the Home app and completed the whole setup. It's pretty straightforward. And then you tap Customize Keys, and then where it says double press right here, you choose the assistant. And then once that's done, you can just double press and then wake up the assistant. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Of course, this is the Watch 5 Pro, all right? And it has that new sensor where it can measure your body temperature. But all in all, I'm definitely looking forward to hearing what my wife says about this watch. And I'm gonna continue to test out mine, and whatever updates or any new things I find, I'll definitely let you guys know in the video in the comment section below. But if you have any comments or questions, please make sure you enter them in the comment section below. Of course, if you're interested, there will be a link in the description section. Again, this is definitely a nice color. All right. Now this completes my quick unboxing and look at the Watch 5 44mm, and this is the sapphire color. I thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing. Also, share it out and comment below. Until next time, keep it mobile.